Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Flow.
Hi, everyone. It's so nice to have you here with us today.
I'm Lewis, and I'm really happy you're listening.
And I'm Anna.
So, Anna, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I had a quiet morning at home, which was really nice.
Oh, that sounds lovely. I had a busy morning, actually.
Really?
Yes, I woke up late and I forgot to make coffee.
Oh no, that's not a good start.
I know.
Did you get your coffee in the end?
Yes, I did, don't worry.
Good, because we have a great episode today, and we need energy.
Yes, we do.
So today's topic is speaking practice at home.
Oh, interesting.
We're going to talk about how you can practice English speaking alone, at home, every day.
Wait, so I don't need a partner?
No, you don't need anyone.
Really?
Really.
That's great, because sometimes I feel shy to practice with other people.
And that's exactly why this topic is so important.
I love it already.
Okay, but first, a small request from us.
Yes, please listen to this part.
If you enjoy Daily English Flow, please like this video.
It really helps other learners find us.
And please subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
Think of it like your daily English coffee.
I like that.
Every day, a little English, a little warmth.
Just like this podcast.
And if you have a friend who is learning English, share this episode with them.
They will thank you later.
Okay, now let's get back to the good stuff.
All right, let's start with part 1. The first thing we want to talk about is talking to yourself.
Talking to myself?
Yes, talking to yourself is a very powerful way to practice English.
But isn't that a little strange?
It might feel strange at first, but it is completely normal. Many language learners do this every day.
Okay, I'm listening.
When you talk to yourself in English, you practice using the language in a real way. You don't need anyone to correct you or judge you.
That's actually really good for shy people like me.
Exactly. So let's start with some simple phrases you can say. The first phrase is, I'm going to.
I'm going to.
Yes, you use this phrase to say what you plan to do next. For example, I'm going to make breakfast. Or, I'm going to clean my room. Or, I'm going to take a shower.
Oh, I see. So I say it before I do something.
Exactly right.
Okay, let me try. I'm going to drink my coffee now.
Perfect. Really? That was exactly right,
Wow, okay, that felt easy.
because it is easy. The key is to say it out loud every time you do something at home.
So like a little announcement to myself.
Yes, exactly like that. Now let's talk about another very useful phrase. Today's vocabulary word is routine.
Routine.
Routine means the things you do every day, in the same order. For example, your morning routine is what you do every morning. So you might say, my routine includes making coffee and getting dressed. Or, I have a simple morning routine.
I think I have a routine, but I never said it in English before.
That's okay. Let's try now. Can you describe one part of your morning routine?
Okay, my routine is I wake up and then I go to the kitchen.
Very good. One small suggestion. Try to connect the two ideas. Instead of, I wake up and then I go, you can say, first I wake up and then I go to the kitchen.
Oh, using the word first.
Yes, the word first helps organize your sentences.
First, I wake up, and then I go to the kitchen.
That sounds wonderful.
That did feel better.
Good. So remember, use the word first to start your routine descriptions. Okay, let's move to part 2. Now, we know that talking to yourself is good, and we have some phrases. But what exactly do you say?
Yes, that's my question too.
A very simple and powerful method is to describe what you are doing right now.
Describe what I'm doing.
Yes, while you are cooking, say what you are cooking. While you are cleaning, say what you are cleaning.
Oh, so it's like a commentary. Oh,
Exactly, like you are a reporter talking about your own life.
that's actually kind of fun.
Try it with me now. Pretend you are making breakfast. What do you say?
Okay, I'm making eggs. I'm putting the eggs in the pan. I'm waiting for the eggs to cook.
That was excellent.
Really?
You used the present continuous perfectly.
I did?
Yes, I'm making, I'm putting, I'm waiting, all correct.
I didn't even think about the grammar.
That is the point. When you practice like this every day, grammar starts to feel natural.
Okay, I'm going to do this tomorrow morning in my kitchen.
Good. And say it out loud, not just in your head.
Even if my neighbors hear me?
Even then. Now, today's second vocabulary word is out loud.
Out loud.
Out loud means to speak with your voice so other people can hear you. The opposite of out loud is in your head or silently. For example, please read this sentence out loud. Or practice speaking out loud every day.
So out loud means I actually use my voice.
Exactly.
Let me try using it in a sentence. I practice English out loud when I'm alone at home.
That is a perfect sentence.
Thank you.
And it's also true advice for everyone listening.
Yes, please practice out loud, everyone.
All right, let's go to part 3. The last section is about turning quiet moments into practice moments.
Quiet moments, like when I'm on the bus?
Yes, exactly. Or when you are waiting for something. Or when you are cleaning or cooking. These are perfect moments to practice English.
But I'm usually thinking about other things at those times.
And that's completely normal. The idea is to slowly replace some of that thinking with English thinking.
Okay, but how do I start?
Start with one phrase. Today I want to. Every morning say, today I want to practice English for 10 minutes. Or, today I want to learn 3 new words. Or, today I want to describe my lunch in English.
Oh, so I set a small goal for myself.
Yes, a very small, very simple goal.
That doesn't feel scary at all.
It shouldn't. Small goals every day build big results over time.
Okay, I'm going to try this. Today I want to describe my dinner tonight in English.
That is a wonderful goal.
And then I'll say it out loud, of course.
Of course. Okay, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, let me try to remember.
Go ahead.
So the first thing was talking to yourself in English at home.
Yes, that's right.
And we use phrases like, I'm going to, before we do something.
Exactly.
The second thing was describing what you're doing, like a reporter.
Very good.
And we use the present continuous. I'm making, I'm cleaning.
Perfect.
And the third thing was using quiet moments to practice.
Yes.
And we can start with, today I want to, as a small, daily goal.
Lewis, that was an excellent review.
Thank you. I was paying attention this time.
You always pay attention.
I try my best.
And that is all any learner needs to do. Now we have a question for you, our listeners.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Here is today's question. What is one thing you do every morning?
Write your answer in the comments, in English.
You can write something simple, like, every morning I drink tea.
Or, every morning I look at my phone for too long.
Like someone we know.
That was about me, wasn't it?
Maybe.
Okay, everyone, let's also remind you to please like this video.
And subscribe to Daily English Flow if you haven't already.
And share this episode with one friend who is learning English.
It really does help us so much.
All right, that is everything for today.
Thank you so much for listening.
You did a great job today, everyone.
Remember, 10 minutes a day practiced out loud is enough to make real progress.
So talk to yourself, describe your life, and set one small goal each morning.
You are doing better than you think.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Take care and keep flowing.